Today, we're exploring the journey of Sarah Palin, the former governor of Alaska and 2008 Republican vice presidential nominee, who became one of the most recognizable and polarizing figures in American politics. From the last frontier to the national stage, her career has spanned politics, reality television, and prolonged legal battles. So, where is Sarah Palin now? Let's find out. Sarah Palin rose from being the mayor of Wasilla to becoming Alaska's first female governor in 2006. Her national profile exploded when Senator John McCain selected her as his running mate, where she became a leading voice for the populist and Tea Party movements. After the 2008 election, she resigned as governor in 2009, transitioning into a media powerhouse with best-selling books, a Fox News contributor shop, and her own reality show, Sarah Palin's Alaska. In recent years, Palin attempted a political comeback in her home state. In 2022, she ran for Alaska's sole seat in the U.S. House of Representatives following the death of Congressman Don Young. Despite an endorsement from Donald Trump, she lost both a special election and the general election to Democrat Mary Peltola. Simultaneously, she has been embroiled in a high-profile defamation lawsuit against the New York Times over a 2017 editorial, a case that has seen multiple trials and appeals over several years. Where is Sarah Palin now? As of now, Sarah Palin is primarily residing in her hometown of Wasilla, Alaska, where she remains a prominent local figure and media influencer. She has maintained a lower public profile since her 2022 electoral defeats, but has recently signaled a strong interest in returning to public service. In February 2025, she expressed that she would be honored to serve in President Trump's second administration, though no formal appointment has been announced. Her most significant recent update occurred just this week. On the 15th of December 2025, a federal judge in New York rejected her bid for a new libel trial against the New York Times. This follows a retrial in April 2025, where a jury once again found the newspaper not liable for defamation. The judge called the arguments for another trial absurd, likely bringing a major chapter of her decade-long legal battle to a close. Today, Palin focuses on her family, including her children and grandchildren, and continues to engage with her audience through social media and guest appearances on conservative media outlets. Sarah Palin has evolved from a governor and vice presidential candidate into a conservative icon and legal pioneer for First Amendment challenges. While her recent attempts to return to elected office were unsuccessful, she remains a vocal presence in American politics, keeping the door open for a future role in the federal government. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more episodes on people involved in high-profile cases and where they are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.